A pandas series is a one-dimensional labeled array. Fundamental to data analysis. Imagine it as a single spreadsheet column, storing diverse data like integers or strings. Each item has an associated label. Its index.
Key attributes. Series. Index for labels. Series. Values for the data as a NumPy array. And series. D-type for the data type. Optionally, assign a series.name. To create a data frame. It's a two-dimensional table. Essentially a collection of series objects sharing an index. You construct it from a dictionary. Keys become column names. Values are lists or series. The initial part of the script creates a pandas series named my_series from a list of numerical data and custom labels. The PD series constructor is used, also assigning a descriptive name to the series. This output then shows the structure of the series, including its labeled index and values, and confirms its object type. Following the creation, the example demonstrates several key attributes of the my_series object. It prints its D-type, data type, index, underlying values as a NumPy array, its assigned name, and its size, number of elements. Additionally, Boolean attributes like is_unique and has_duplicates are shown to indicate the uniqueness of the values within the series. Common operations such as displaying the first few elements with head, generating descriptive statistics using describe, and accessing elements by positional index, iloc, and label, loc, are also illustrated.
Finally, the code demonstrates two ways to convert the my_series into a pandas data frame. The first method directly passes the my_series object to the PD data frame constructor, resulting in a data frame where the series name becomes the column header. The second method explicitly creates a dictionary where the series is assigned as a value to a key, allowing for a custom column name, !scores, to be defined during data frame construction. Both approaches yield a two-dimensional data frame structure from the one-dimensional series.